A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about the fabric defect analysis in the laboratory course fabric structure and design. In this we will see about the defect analysis. Yes, we have seen in the defect analysis of yarn defects like knots, slubs, then protruding ends. We have also to identify the defects of snugs, then holes, then tears, and also tears, and then stains of the fabric. For this also we have to identify all these things. That means holes, tears, and snugs and stains. For all these things we have to keep the fabric on the surface. Then with proper lighting we have to check whether the fabric is having any type of oil stain or other grease substances like that. Then we have to also to check the color of the fabric and then texture of the fabric. Then all these visible irregularities are checked by in the stains, and all. If while stitching itself there is a possibility of stains, then while moving the material from one place to another there is a possibility of stains in the material, so that it will be checked. Then holes also will be identified while knitting material, and all the holes will be there. Sometimes while interlocking the loops, interlacing the loops, sometimes the loops will not be interlaced, so that the holes will be produced. If the holes are coming out like this, means the exact thing, that means the yarns will be raveled easily, and then the holes will be formed a little bigger. Like the tears also will be in the fabric. That means if the while bringing from the loom, warp beam or weft loom, that the holes, the tears will be there, so that the blades will be sharp, and that the fabric will be cutted, so that it will be very safely we have to bring out the material. Like that we have to check the holes, then slubs, then tears, and then also grease substances. If it is a simple small hole, minute hole, then it will be formed as a bigger one. While stitching and all, it will be little elongated, and that so that it will be seen on the surface more awkwardly. Like that, tears also there. If there is a small tear while stitching itself, sometimes the blades will cut the fabric, and so that the tears will be there. If there is a tears, means we have to discard the material and we have to use the proper structured one. If we are using in the same material, the garment will not look nice, and then will not look nice, and then so that the surface also will be little hard, and then the maintenance will also be tough. Then the long life of the material will be affected while washing, then ironing and all. The quality will be affected, so that the holes, tears, and will be elongated, and then the material will be teared easily. so that we have to check carefully all these holes, tears, snugs, stains, and then color of the material, then texture of the material, and then the raised loops. Then unevenly, if there is raised loops are there, we have to check out all these things.